Hey friends, it's Nadine from the Maker's Hot Studio, and thank you for joining. I want to show you guys kind of like this folder I'm using to store all of the kits I've had this year from Open Journey, and just kind of like how I'm working through them. Now, before you guys would have seen that I was using a traveler's notebook, and I created traveler's notebooks for these kits, and then I decided, you know what, I don't have space on the shelf and they were kind of getting bulky, so I wanted them all to be in one system, at least the ones that can fit in this. So I purchased this binder from Target for $5 in the spot section, or as other people would say, the dollar spot section in Target. This is a really hard cardstock, so you can paint and stuff on there. And this decoration is just kind of like a makeshift thing I just put on there because I just didn't want to spend the time decorating it. But maybe one day I will do that. But I just want to focus on the content and the devotions. We can get so carried away in making stuff that the most important thing, which is the devotion and the prayer and the reading and the worship, we kind of it falls through the cracks. So to avoid all that, I just like whip that together so that it'll look kind of cute. Anyway, this particular binder holds 3 kits, and I'm sure you guys are going to ask me what is the size of the binder. So because you will, I'm going to measure it for you. This binder is about 8 3/4 by 7.5, right? So this is, as I said, it's from the Target dollar spot. But anyway, so I'm going to do a quick flip through of the ones I've had already. As I said, these were, if you were following me, you would have known that this was originally in a traveler's notebook. I just cut it off. The edges are not even, you can tell, right? The edges are not even cut well. I just cut it off there, punch holes in there, and now everything is falling out because I opened it, because it is so jam-packed with goodies. And so now I gotta fix it. But you get the point. Okay, so you're not gonna fix it. Let's just close this so that nothing else falls out of the binder. And I'll fix it when I'm off camera. So this is this is the flip through for Illuminated, as you guys would have seen. And so what I did was I cut the book itself that she gave us, which is the study, and I kind of put it in between my own artwork and my own devotion. So you can see right there, this is mine and this is Ingrid's on here. And this is kind of like what I did right here. And so we'll put that away. I'll fix that later. But I'm not going to open it again because you see what happened just now. And I didn't actually finish this, so I still have some more writing to do. And luckily enough, I still have some of the elements in the kit, so I can do some more stuff in my Bible. And I'll tell you more about that. So this here is that kit. And then this section here is homebound. And again, you would have seen that I had a lace in and everything on this. I just cut all of that out, cut the book up, and punch some holes in there, got rid of all the little pockets and stuff, and did my own thing. And for me, this works better. It just really does work better because it's all in one neat little folder. Nothing is falling out. It's not bulky, and I could just shove it in my on my bookcase, and I don't see anything like hanging out because I just can't deal with the hanging out stuff. That's just me, guys. That's just me. Another reason why I really love this is because a lot of Bible journalers, they have all these cute things like at the edges of their pages, and it looks so cute, but it hangs out at the side of the Bible, and I've always wanted that. You guys hear me talk about, I don't like things hanging out, and I just can't deal. So they have all these nice little pom-poms and nice little bows, and all the other beautiful, cute stuff hanging out. And I've always wanted this way. I have this much space for stuff to hang out. This much space. And when it hangs out, I can close it and I'm not going to see it because it's all neat. So that's why I love this idea. Anyway, so let's move to our very new kit, which is called Pray Without Ceasing. And you saw me do an unboxing just now. It was not an elaborate unboxing. I will do more of about this kit, talk about this rope and talk about some of the aspects of the kit more as I go through it. But this basically is what I'm doing. So what I changed up is the amount of study I am going to do with each kit. So let me tell you what my approach is just going forward. I divided the kit into 4 parts. So Bible journaling, kit study, prayer cards, and the names of God. And the Bible journaling is in my Bible, that big Bible I have, and I normally will take some of the ephemera, the best parts that I love. Well, not the best, they're all great, but just the parts that I think will really pop. And I section them off, and this is going to go in my Bible, right? So this is not going to go here. So this is going to be the Bible journaling, the kid study. I have this here. Okay, so I have this amount for the kid study. And whatever is left over, I will use for prayer cards and the names of God. Now, I already did the prayer cards because I have the printables. So the printables are the prayer cards. So we already have that. So then the names of God will come from what's left from this and what's left from this. I don't think there'll be anything left from this because most likely I'll use it up, but definitely I know that I'll have some stuff left from this. So all of this is going to go in my Bible. So I'm going to put this aside, and I usually use the printables for the prayer cards or my prayer book, right? And this is how I set up the kid study. So the next part is the kid study, which is basically going through the devotional itself that she wrote and working through that. So I cut the devotional open, right? Or I cut it in half, however you want to say that. And between each page, I put one of my own paper. So see, so I can write. It's really, really that simple, guys. And now I can stick things at the edges to hang off and all that good stuff. And this is basically what I'm doing and how I'm doing it for this kit. Sorry, let me go back again. And as I go through this, I'll show you guys kind of like what I learned. Again, this is like my favorite. This is like my favorite. I have to show you. I have to show you again. I have to show you my phone again. So you're going to actually get a sneak peek as to how it's going to be laid in my Bible. It's going to be laid in my Bible like this. It's going to open up and the phone part's going to come out. That's how it's going to be in the Bible itself, because you guys know I just love this thing. So anyway, that's it. If you have any questions or comments or any other suggestions, please let me know. I already have ephemera falling out of things. I know all of this ephemera is gonna go in here. Here's the thing: if I run out of like cool ephemera and stuff, I already have the printables that I can print again on heavy cardstock and add on these pages. So, and that's the cool thing about getting the kit, because when you get the kit, you get the printables for 50% off, and you can print them out forever. Like you can print them over and over and over. So, for example, in the kit, you really only get one heart, but guess what? This heart you can print many times with the printables. So that's it. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you guys go run. Don't hesitate. Go get the kit. It's Pray Without Ceasing, and it is so beautiful. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Hey friends, this is Nadine from the Maker's Heart Studio. If you love what you see, please subscribe, share with your friends, and thank you for watching.